In this video, I will gonna teach you on how to send money from your Binance account to your Phantom wallet or Phantom. So first, you just have to open your Binance application on your phone or simply visit their website. And once you open their application or access their website, you just have to enter your credentials for you to able to log in. And once you are on your dashboard, you just have to navigate to the wallet section located on the bottom right corner of your screen. And then after that, after clicking the wallet section, beside the overview part, there is spot. You just have to click in, and then once you click the spot section under the balances, you just have to click the Solana or simply the Sol. And after clicking it, find the withdraw button and you just have to click in. And once you click in the withdraw button, under it, you have two options, which is the send via crypto network and send via email, phone, or even ID. So in this case, we will click the send via crypto network because we are going to transfer money or your coin via crypto exchanges. So you just have to click in the send via crypto network. And after that, you will redirect to this page, which is you will be needing to fill out, which is you will be needing to paste the address or wallet address of your Phantom, which is you will redirect to this page and it requires you to fill out the wallet address as well as tendering the withdrawal amount. And for you to able to paste your wallet address here, you will need to open your Phantom wallet and access your account by entering your credentials, and then after that, you will be needing to choose the Solana. And then after clicking it, tap on receive. And then once you click on receive, you will redirect to this page, which is you will be collecting or copying your wallet address of the Solana. And then you need to go back to your Binance account and then you just have to paste your wallet address copied from your Phantom wallet onto your Binance for you to able to withdraw or transfer money from Binance to Phantom. If you learned something from this video, consider liking and give a comment below. See you on the next tutorial video. Bye!